This video will cover high-performance computing settings in Classic and AEDT Icepak. Let's see how these settings are enabled in Classic Icepak. Here is the interface of Classic Icepak with a blank project. Within the Classic Icepak interface, go to Project window. Under Solution Settings, double-click Parallel Settings. In the pop-up window, there will be 4 options for configuration. Only one can be selected at a time. Serial specifies the solver to run using a single core. When switching to parallel, multiple processes or cores will be used by the solver. The number of processors can be specified in the parallel options box. Network parallel and job scheduler are used to run parallel processes on a network of computers. Graphics processing unit can be used together with either one of the above options to accelerate certain solver operations like view factor computations using the ray tracing radiation method and the multi-grid solver for the coupled pressure velocity formulation. Notice that HPC licenses are required for parallel computing with more than 4 processors during solve. Click Accept to apply the desired configuration. Now let's see how HPC settings are enabled in AEDT Icepak. Here is the interface of AEDT Icepak with a blank project. To add HPC settings, click Tools, Options, HPC and Analysis options. You can also access HPC and Analysis options using the HPC options icon on the simulation ribbon. The HPC and Analysis options window appears, displaying the Configurations tab. You can add a new configuration or edit or copy an existing configuration. Click Edit to specify cores and tasks to be used. An Icepak design can contain multiple mesh regions. Multiple tasks can be specified to mesh multiple mesh regions concurrently. When a design contains fewer than or equal to the number of tasks specified, all mesh regions are meshed concurrently. In the Machines tab, the number of cores you specify must be equal to or greater than the number of tasks you specify. For example, if you specify 12 tasks and 12 cores, then 12 cores will be used for this analysis. Although if you specify 10 tasks and 12 cores, then only 10 cores will be used for this analysis. In the Job Distribution tab, the Job Distribution list box allows you to specify which job distribution types to allow for the current analysis configuration. For the distribution levels, one distribution type will be applied at each stage of solution process. If multiple types are available, the higher level solution will be generally distributed. All machine tasks will be used by the single level distribution. If you select Enable 2 level, the first level will distribute the specified number of solutions. Each solution will use a subset of machine tasks to distribute the second level. A solver distribution type must be available for the second level. Otherwise, single level distribution will be applied. The number of cores will be uniformly distributed for concurrent parametric variations. For example, if you assign 12 cores and 12 tasks in the Machines tab and 3 distributed solutions at the first level, then 3 variations will run concurrently and 4 cores will be used for each variation. Click OK. With regards to HPC licensing, in the Options tab, Auto means delegate the choice of workgroup or pack licensing. Workgroup can enable single units of HPC at a time, while one pack license enables 8 units of HPC. Additional packs multiply by 4, enabling 32, 128 and so on in the context of a single simulation. The default setting should be Auto. Click OK. The GPU feature appears in the user interface by default as an open beta feature. To use the GPU feature, you must enable the beta option. From Tools, Options, General Options, expand General, select Desktop Configuration and open Beta options. Scroll down to Icepak, turn on Icepak GPU computing. In AEDT Icepak, GPU can handle a wide range of additional features. Though it comes with certain limitations outlined in the help document, if the design has any features not supported by the GPU solver, Icepak automatically switches to the CPU solver. A warning message that includes the unsupported features is reported in the message window. Icepak designs containing the following objects or settings are automatically run using the CPU. Transient solution type, PCB component, PCB networks, internal fans, network boundary condition, no reverse flow option, shell conduction, joule heating, all turbulent settings except realizable 2 equation and K omega SST, ray tracing radiation, solar loading, solve flow and energy equations sequentially, UDFs. Since each release overcomes limitations in the GPU solver, it is highly recommended to be on the latest AEDT Icepak release. Click OK to close both windows. A warning dialog window pops up asking to restart the application. Note that the application must be restarted for beta options to take effect. This concludes the HPC settings in Classic and AEDT Icepak.